Sometimes we feel we have gained weight, but it's just bloated stomach. Abdominal bloating is a condition in which the stomach feels full and tight due to buildup of gas. This can make the stomach area visibly swollen. You can treat stomach bloating with simple pressure points. Place 4 fingers horizontally above the navel and massage this area for 2 to 3 minutes, clockwise and counterclockwise. This point helps reduce gas formation and relieve stomach cramps. If you want to eliminate water retention and relieve stomach pain, then place 2 fingers horizontally above the navel and massage this area for 2 to 3 minutes, clockwise and counterclockwise. After this, place 4 fingers below the navel. The point is located just under the little finger. Massage the point for 2 to 3 minutes, clockwise and counterclockwise. Massaging this area will increase intestinal activity and remove heaviness within the stomach. Besides this, drinking ginger tea also helps to alleviate bloated stomach. Take a glass of water and add few pieces of chopped ginger roots to it. On a low-medium flame, boil the water for few minutes. Turn off the flame after 5 to 10 minutes, let it cool down, strain the tea and serve. Another option is to eat 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger before meals. You can also grate ginger root and sprinkle it in your food. Ginger possesses carminative properties that can help to expel gas and relieve cramps and indigestion. This shows the efficiency of ginger in treating stomach bloating along with its symptoms. This will reduce swelling of stomach and make it look flat. Before trying any of these home remedies, you should consult your health expert. Besides this, some of the tips that will help you reduce bloating are eating slowly and chewing your food thoroughly, eating smaller meals more frequently, walking after a meal. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.